हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम स्नेहा है और मैं नोएडा में अपनी प्यारी सी फैमिली के साथ रहती हूँ। तो लास्ट टाइम हमने बात की थी इस बुक की इफ़ यू थिंक यू कैन। इसके हमने 2 चैप्टर डिस्कस किए थे। आज हम इसका चैप्टर डिस्कस करेंगे, डिमांडिंग द बेस्ट फ्रॉम योरसेल्फ। ओके, सो अनटिल एंड अनलेस यू डिमांड बेस्ट फ्रॉम योरसेल्फ, हाउ विल यू गेट द बेस्ट इन योर लाइफ। सो इसमें पेज नंबर 43 में एक लाइन मेंशन की है, इन ऑर्डर टू गेट व्हाट यू वांट यू मस्ट begin expecting and demanding more out of yourself than you currently do. Okay, so you have to expect more from yourself. You have to bring out that best version of yourself to reach where you want to reach. In another page, at page number 43, so here it's mentioned, achievers are constantly demanding more from themselves compared with what the mass majority of people are expecting for themselves. So that is the difference between achiever and a normal people. So achievers always want best for themselves. Once I watched Priyanka Chopra interview, right? So उसमें she mentioned a line कि if एक सिंपल सा पेंट करने का भी टास्क उसको दे दिया जाए तो she will do it perfectly at her best capability. So that is the attitude of achievers, to demand best from yourself, to do best. Okay, so that is very beautiful line. In page number 47, again a line mentioned, if you want your life to change, then you must change. Okay, so supposingly the current situation, your current life, you don't like it, or the job currently you are working, you are not liking it, that is not satisfying, so you can change it anytime. So you have just to take that initiative, right? Don't wait anybody to come to you, your boss, your spouse, your friend, and ask you, okay, it's a high time, please change. Okay, so that change thing you have to do yourself. So every day is a new day, any day you can start a new thing. So that is another beautiful line. Another beautiful line is, you sacrifice whatever you want for the moment for what you want in the long term. Okay? So long term things are important. Achiever always focused on the long term, because dreams are not achievable within 1 or 2 days. It's not that simple, right? If it is that simple, everybody would be achiever. So you have to momentarily satisfying and pleasing thing you have to sacrifice to get something longer run you want. So this is very impactful line. Another line is at page number 48, when you make the shift from interest to commitment, then only will you hold yourself to a higher standard and being producing result accordingly, right? So merely interesting and committed to something, right? That is actually the key point, right? If you are interested, that means someday you will do it, someday you will make excuses. But if you are committed, that means you will do it at any cost. So that commitment is required to achieve your dreams. Okay, that is another good line. Now in page number 52, it's mentioned, holding yourself to high standard is not always easy. You'll find when you push yourself, many people won't understand that. They will ask at time, think you are crazy, and question why you would work so hard, right? So your dreams, it's your journey. So you don't have time to explain everybody. So people may think, okay, why he is working so hard? The person can relax, chill. Why he is taking so much stress? But you cannot explain them that your biggest desire is to achieve something, and for that you have to sacrifice a momentary thing. So that is another beautiful line. And in the last of the chapter, a line is there, today I will make new commitment to. Here you can add all the list of commitment you will start doing. That will actually change your life. So this is all beautiful thing about this chapter. So hope you like this chapter. So in our next series, we'll discuss about taking time to work on yourself. So that will cover in our next series. Wait for that. Till then, happy reading and keep reading, guys. Bye bye.